What we envisioned for Elevation Station was, we looked at the area and we saw a need for the community to have some sort of outlet for indoor activities, outside of kids maybe just staying inside. We have a lot of sports here, but the weather can be pretty harsh, and we knew it would be a good idea for people to be able to have a good, safe place to come inside and do activities. One of the things that we really liked about the Duckpin was being able to meet everyone's needs, no matter the age. And anybody from ages 3 all the way up to 80, 85, anyone can do it. And we thought that that would be the best thing for the community. Everyone would be able to come in here and have a good time. Yeah, the guest reactions have been unbelievable. I'm at the front counter pretty regularly, and the Duckpin is right there with the Neoverse wall. And you see the kids having fun on all the other attractions, but to see the kids and the adults interact with each other and play the bowling, it's really special. The adults helping their little kids, and overall everyone having fun together in that manner. It's really special to see, and you can tell that they really, really enjoy the product, and it's happy to say. I'm happy to see. Yeah, they were great. From the design team, the engineers, the sales team, the support team. Anytime we had any questions or we needed anything, I could pick up the phone, call, and I could get answers right. Excuse me. I could get answers right away, no matter the department I was looking for. Still to this day, if I need anything, I can call, the sales team. I can call the tech guys and ask questions. They're always going to be there. So I was very thrilled with the entire team at Cubica.